Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shikha and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm a law student from UPS Laramie. In today's video, we will talk about disposal of a suit at first hearing by the court under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. But before starting the video, there is a small disclaimer that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the only purpose for which the video is made is educational purpose. So, what does disposal mean? Disposal simply means the completion of any suit or a criminal case. This suit or a criminal case is completed when all the issues related to the suit or the case is resolved by the court between the parties. Order 15 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 deals with few circumstances where the court can dispose a suit at the first hearing and deliver the judgment at once. The first rule says that where the parties are not at issue. It states that when at the initial hearing of the suit, it appears to the court that the parties do not disagree on any question of law or question of fact. That means to say that the parties are not at issue per se. Then the court can deliver the judgment at once at the initial or the first hearing of the suit itself. In the case of Desi Kesari versus Huzurabad Cooperative Marketing Society Limited, it was held that when there is no issue framed between the parties on any question of law or fact, then the court is competent to deliver the judgment at once at the first hearing of the suit itself. Rule 2 states that when one of the several defendants are not at issue. It says that in a suit where there are more than one defendant and a particular defendant is not at issue with the plaintiff in the suit, then the court may proceed to deliver the judgment against or for that particular defendant who is not at issue with the plaintiff, and the suit may proceed against the defendants who are at issue with the plaintiff. A decree shall be drawn upon according to the judgment and it shall bear the date of the judgment. Rule 3 states that when parties are at issue, when the court frames issue regarding any question of law or fact, and if the court is satisfied that no more argument or evidences that a party can adduce at once is required, and it is sufficient for the decision, and also it is not resulting in any kind of injustice, then the court may determine that issue at once. If the finding of the court are sufficient, then it may deliver the judgment. It is also stated that whether the summon was for the appearance of the party for resolving any issue or for the final disposition of the suit, it is irrelevant here. But if the summon was for the resolving of issue between the two parties and the parties or their pleaders are present, then the court can deliver the judgment if none of these parties or their pleaders dispute the judgment of the court. 4 states that failure to adduce evidences. When a summon is issued to the parties for the final disposition of the case and either party fails to produce the evidences or material upon which its pleading relies upon, and without the sufficient reason, then the court may deliver the judgment at once, or it may also postpone the hearing of the judgment to a later stage so that the additional evidences or documents can be produced. So a disposal of a case means that the completion or the final decision have been reached by the court. It may be done at the first hearing or at the latter stage of the suit as well. If the parties to a suit request, or if a mistake have been discovered in the ruling of the decision of the court, then these suits can also be reopened. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question or if you have any query, then please write it down in the comment section below. For also giving feedback, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you so much.